Ever been stuck without Wi-Fi and needed to connect your laptop or tablet? Don't worry, your smartphone can save the day. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone as a portable Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can stay connected anytime, anywhere. First, let's start by enabling the hotspot feature. On most smartphones, you can find this option in your quick settings menu. Simply swipe down from the top of your screen and look for the hotspot or mobile hotspot icon. If it's not there, don't worry. I'll show you how to find it in your settings. On Android, go to Settings, then tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Look for Mobile Hotspot or Tethering. On iPhone, go to Settings, then tap Personal Hotspot. Here, you can toggle your hotspot on. Before you turn it on, let's make sure your hotspot is secure. You can customize your network name and set a strong password to prevent unauthorized access. This ensures that only you and those you share the password with can use your mobile data. Now, simply toggle on the hotspot. Your smartphone will start broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal that other devices can connect to, just like a regular Wi-Fi network. On your other device, like a laptop or tablet, open the Wi-Fi settings and look for your smartphone's hotspot network. Tap to connect and enter the password you just set. And just like that, you're online. This is perfect for when you're traveling, in a coffee shop with weak Wi-Fi, or if your home internet goes out. Your smartphone's data plan can keep you connected on all your devices. Remember, using your smartphone as a hotspot can use up a lot of data, especially if you're streaming or downloading large files. So be mindful of your data limits to avoid any surprises on your bill. Once you're done, make sure to turn off the hotspot to save battery and data. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've got portable Wi-Fi wherever you go. Like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Stay connected anytime, anywhere.